Yo, what's happening, everybody? This your guy King Tanner, King Tanner Cuts and everything. This video right here is a handheld joint because it's real and it says, you dig? So I got to get up and close and personal so you guys can roll with me and vibe with me, because this damn topic right here has been running rampant in the barber industry as of late. Now I'm here on a Sunday, which is my off day, but I had like 3 to 5 clients call in for cuts or whatever. 3 of them are new, you know what I'm saying? No question. And they're new because they're leaving their old barbers because of bad customer service, man. And I gotta address that because there's a lot of barbers out here and stylists who are wondering why their businesses are slowing down and the clientele is starting to dwindle and shit. Well, I'm gonna tell you how, you know what I'm saying? I'm qualified because I got 25 years of experience in the game. I'm a master barber, and my clientele is steady as hell, no question about it. Now, I'm gonna give you 2 solid reasons why your client will leave your ass in a heartbeat. Number 1, if your work starts to fall off and you're not as consistent as you used to be, man, your client will fucking leave you without a shadow of a doubt. No matter how much they like you like that, if your work starts to fall off, because you gotta understand they hang around family and friends who keep their appearance and swag up to par, and yeah, their family and friends is gonna start saying some shit. You know what I'm saying? So that's a bad look. That's a bad look, no question about it. So make sure that you're consistent. Make sure you bring the heat every time you turn on them clippers. No doubt about it. Because they paying everything from $25 and up for a good haircut from your ass. You know what I'm saying? That's a bad look. You can't get shady on that, especially in these days and times where everybody is hustling their ass off and everybody is on their paper. Hear the kids out there in the hallway. They going across the hall to the restaurant, enjoying their Sunday and everything. Now the second reason, I done seen this quite a few times, is that some barbers and stylists treat their clients like crap. What I mean by that is, there's been many of times where I've been in the shop and I've seen someone who I'm working with's clients just waiting on them and everything, while me and the other stylists or the barbers or whatever are handling our business, getting our people in and out. Their client, the other person's clients are waiting there for like 3 to 4 damn hours for their barber or stylist. I mean, it gets to the point that I gotta call the barber or stylist, like, yo man, you got such and such here. What's up with that? Get on that. You know what I'm saying? You need to get here, whop the bam. But man, if you're a grown ass man or a grown ass woman, I shouldn't have to call you for nothing. Especially when somebody paying you some money like that. And in this industry right here, we get paid. We make some good money, no question about it. So you should be here honestly ahead of time. And me, I'm the kind of professional people. I'm a people person. A lot of people ain't, you know what I'm saying? In this industry, you gotta be a people person. Because me, myself, when I'm late, I have been, yeah. I come in and apologize. Yeah, man, I'm sorry, you know what I'm saying? This, that, and the other happened. And in some cases, I might knock off a few dollars or whatever, this, that, and the third. But I done seen some people be late as hell, late as fuck, for their client's appointment. Come in like ain't shit happened. You know what I'm saying? Oh, this, that, and the other, all right, get in the chair. Don't even apologize or nothing. And they wonder why that client don't come back after that service. Or that client leaves before they even get here. Because time is money and time is precious. You know what I'm saying? And it pisses a client off when they're saying other people work in your workspace and they're getting people in and out of there fast, fluently, and efficient. I'm just letting you know. Those are the 2 main reasons, that your client will say, fuck you, I'm going somewhere else to get cut. And here's an honorable mention. This also goes into bad service. Overbooking. What I mean by that is, if you say you got a motherfucking, you give a client a 10 o'clock appointment or whatever, then your client comes at like 9:58, 2 minutes ahead or whatever, but then there's like 7 or 8 motherfuckers in front of them. Dude, you are bogus. You are bogus, and you open the door for your client to leave and never come back. That's $25, $30, $25 and up, not coming back. Probably a weekly client, especially the weekly clients, man. I'm telling you, they really passionate and emotional about their time. You know what I'm saying? You gotta respect their time like you want them to respect your time. You know what I mean? Those reasons right there. If you motherfucker don't be consistent with your skill level, with the haircuts you putting out, if you treat your clients like crap, this, that, and the third, and if you overbook and waste people's time, your damn clientele will drop. It will fall. Yes, indeed. No question about it. They won't come back. Think about it. Somebody treat you like that, would you come back to that shit? I ain't think so. All right, y'all. Catch y'all on the next one. Be easy.